you're curious, up to this point, I've been so I moved away from streaming from this laptop. It's a 2016 or 17 MacBook Pro. As you can see, because MacBooks have terrible like cooling, so I did some DIY and basically I opened the case and stuck a thermal pad between the CPU and the aluminum back case, so it would conduct the heat directly to the to the back aluminum case, and then I put one of those like electromagnetic phone coolers on that, so I always have this turned on when I stream. Essentially it's just really bad cooling. So MacBook by itself is not enough, like, cause this is an Intel MacBook from like 5 or 6 years ago, so naturally it's not enough for streaming. So let me show you guys this. One of the dumbest solutions you can think of. So I'm not sure how many of you guys know what this is. Give me a second. So this is an external GPU case, more like an external PCIe case that uses Thunderbolt 3 connection like this to connect to the MacBook, and I run Windows on the MacBook. So this is a 1650. This is a MSI 760i. So there's 2 NVMe slots. Right now I only bought one NVMe. The Kingston 2TB SSD. I believe we installed it like this, right? Wait. Oh, the screw. The motherboard doesn't come with the screws. These screws are so strange. Should be quite short bronze copper made. Yeah, these are the only screws I have in the. Let me see if this fits. I think it fits. Now the whole thing is kind of bent down a little bit too much. Maybe I don't have to apply that much pressure. This should not bend like that. Oh no. Did I do something wrong? Wait, does this go on top of this? Yeah, I think it does. What is this for? Did I do it right? So this black screw on top of this silver one, this black one came with SSD itself. Huh? I'm using the stands off as a screw. Oh, okay. Okay. I know now. Oh god, I need to unscrew that. Yeah, I get it now. Thank you. Let me take this off. Oh gosh. Screw this on first, right? So it wouldn't bend backwards. So essentially the one side of the SSD rests on top of this, right? Yeah, I think I get it now. Everything looks right now. It's resting on top of this standoff. And I didn't know there's a standoff thing. Like, I never installed a NVMe SSD myself before. Okay, let me screw this on. Trying to make sure that the metal part of the SSD is like. Maybe I don't need to. Let me loosen it a little bit. I don't want to screw it too tight. Yay! Now it's not. Now it's not bent. So took us a while. Like Goose and Sushi reminded me. Yeah, the sign emote. Do you guys like the sign emote? Mooney made it. But yeah, done with SSD installation. Just the last screw. But yeah, how are you doing? How's your week going, Sylvia? Haven't seen you for a little bit, right? I don't remember. There's actually a meme about a banned SSD that shows up banned on Windows File Manager. Oh yeah, these are all new parts. You need to hear the click? I'm not sure if my mic is able to pick it up. This mic is just my regular mic for streaming. Oh my god. I hope the mic is able to pick it up. It might just get drowned out by the music. Let me pause the music for a second. Okay. Yep, do you hear that? This looks right, because the screws triangles is outside. Man, these designs are so clever. I think everything's like outside, or one of them is wrong. Okay. Alright, I think this is right. I'm supposed to. So I don't think it matters where which direction they face as long as it's secured in place. But yeah, how's... you can tell it's Dragon Age. Yeah, it's somebody's cover on YouTube. It's the same person who did the cover I used when I did Woven Storm. You have so many hours in those games. Let me try and some other things from the same artist. He's playing a guitar. But yeah, I certainly couldn't tell which Dragon Age game was that. Was it the first one? I mean the Dragon Age Origins was... Seriously... Well, Dragon Age Origins is still my favorite. Oh, it's from Inquisition! Yeah, my memories about Inquisition is kinda blurry. Oh god, it fell out. Okay, I think everything's secured. Okay, so I'm supposed to put these 4 blue plastic beds like this, and then these two are for Intel. Which side is up? I think this side. So fit in the center. Okay, it does naturally just go to the center because of the distance, I'm guessing. Oh god. Okay. Oh my god, I don't want to lift it. Yeah. Screws are in the center of this hole. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to screw this on. Oh god. Let me put them on. Oh. Don't blow my house up. Let me see if I can find some third-party like instrumental cover of Dragon Age Origins. Oh god. Yeah, let's see if I can find some good covers. These artists I actually used to be. Oh, okay, let's enjoy some ads. Right now I'm on a VPN that will show ads, so VPN server will show ads, unfortunately. Oh, this is Inquisition actually. Eh, what's the last one?
The dawn will
try to find one from Origins. Man, these screws are massive. Do I need to go get a new screwdriver? Jeez. She's not handling the PSU yet. Huh? The PSU? Yeah, not yet. I do need a screwdriver to screw this securely. Wait, let me get it to...
The dawn will come. The night is long.
But yeah, this one is Inquisition.
And the path is dark.
He said I also played Dragon Age before Mass Effect. Since my friend kept talking about Dragon Age Origins, I eventually found a copy at the store. Nice! For me, the only option is buy it directly from like EA Origin, like digital store. Yeah, I need a... Oh, I remember, good thing. Yeah, my Swiss knife has that. Let me go get that.
Who made this video possible, and they also helped me pick the same.
What? First piece of film. Yeah, I'm fine. I don't have better options. Jeez, see, this works. This should work just fine. Ta-da! Look what a nice Swiss knife this is. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh god, I mean, lack of better options. So I heard you're supposed to screw it like this. Oh, but I guess it doesn't matter. It's not really pressing on the CPU right now. Orientation A, orientation B. Oh, that's two orientations. I think this should work. I don't need to worry too much about that, right? Don't tighten it too much. Okay. Just somewhat loosely. Let me loosen this one a little bit. Oh! Oof. Okay, now the alcohol pad. Let's rub it a bit more. This looks pretty clean, but should I rub this? Okay, watch it dry. Okay, try to blow on that. Let's do the X. Does this look good? I wonder if it's too much. Plastic part? Yeah, yeah, for sure. Oh god. Looks like a lot of thermal paste to me. Dots? Yeah, let's do that. Let's do some dots in the gaps. Oh. Oh, I hope it's not too much. The left side seems to have caught the whole. Come on, catch something! Oh wow, it's Fudger! Hello! Oh god. Let me get this embarrassing thing out of the side. Yeah, I got it. Okay, I don't want to screw too tight. Okay. Okay, you guys probably. This time I pushed them pretty hard, so it clicked. That was really loud. Still not all the way. Okay. I think they should be all the way down. Okay, looks good. Okay, it's not heating anything when it spins. This is from the cases from Silverstone. Taking off all the panels? Okay. Let me try. Oh, okay. This huge bunch of cake. But yeah, like, as you can see, there's no screw holes here at all, so... oh my god, this is just making everything even more messy. Yeah. Thanks, Rabbit. Let's see. Oh, this tiny thing is so heavy. Oh, the cables are in the way. Oh, God.
Oh wait, this is Mini ATX.
Mini ITX. Yeah, this is a Mini ITX case. Oh. Oh, yeah. Seems like it can fit. Yeah.
That's gonna be.
It's got. It supports 3-slot graphics cards. Because it seems like the trend nowadays, graphics cards are getting bigger and bigger. Even mini ITX cases. Jeez. Okay.
There you
Okay.
go. I can see the screen.
Yeah, should I push it in the
Yeah,
IO?
they should be. They should snap in. I think if they're the same as those separate items ones.
Let me try.
If not, I think you can just screw it in. Oh, they do. I heard the snap.
No, they haven't. They still loose.
I think they don't snap in. I'm not so sure.
Maybe they don't, because I don't see
Yeah,
any.
maybe they don't. I think you can just screw it in. They're not those separate
But
metal ones.
then that would be gaps. That's weird. Put this in first.
Having all of the panels off is very convenient.
Yeah, that's why even though like my first case, SG13 was actually pretty beginner friendly. Just tighten them a little more. Okay. The last screw.
Okay, there's also one in the bottom.
Yeah, I saw it. I mean, but you're the only person who said they're tired of it.
これまでにない遊び方で荒野行動をプレイ。
Huh?
セットアップは簡単。
The
操作もより簡単に。
spell.
スマホゲームをパソコンでプレイするなら期間限定のオファーをゲットしよう。
Probably.
ダウンロード now。
You're probably. It's a 3 plus 4. Okay.
So everything should fit. Let's see.
They should fit. They should fit in the monster. That's gonna leave me a bit more.
This
The
one, right?
One with the flat cable. Yeah, that one. That's the USB port.
Okay.
It plugs in on a port to the left of the RAM.
Not sure. Oh, that would be like yeah,
The one above. That should be the one above.
yeah, Rabbit. I know it's that it's sound.
Yep, that's the one.
I think this way should fit.
Below the power
This switch seems to be a separate cable.
You can plug in the power.
Power switch has like minus and plus. Is the minus also the plus also to the
No.
left?
Nope, it shouldn't matter. The only ones that matter are the LED ones, the hard drive LED and the power LED. Okay. That's a lot easier than having all 8 of them on one cable. of the IO shields first, Kenny.
I think it's okay.
Now supplemental power. Instead of the 6+2.
Oh yeah. So yeah. So that's a support here. It's kind of slicing.
別れて確認だ。なんだ君たちは。エレナのバイターだ。
That's
お
a
宅の社内
nice.
から要請があった。抑えました。
抑えました。
なぜ新しい IT を導入しなかった。
Kenny's having a fight with that.
最適な IT 環境をご提案デルテクノロジーズアドバイザー
Good time. This one is also same.
Yep, reach down from below. Oh, there you go.
This one's. I think it's plugged.
Oh,
I
that's
can't.
okay.
As you can see, it's CRT.
Okay, don't aim it upwards a bit too much, Candy. CRTs are quite reflective. Remember that. I think halfway should be fine.
I mean, guess one.
I'm not gonna risk it, but up to you. Oh, no, it's like cloud. It's very cloudy. That should be fine. That height should be fine, I think.
拡大
CPU,
割引
CPU
合わせ
and
て1万
memory
4000円割
change
引
please into
今すぐ
setup.
ネットで見積もり
It does
what-
have
what?
something.
What did it say?
誰も知らなかった男が
Oh,
突如大阪の街に踊り出た。お前は
Oh,
誰だ
BIOS.
不安し
There you go. It's in there. DRAM, the first tab. Yeah, that one.
it's profile one.
It's on. It's on. It should be on, right? Yeah, it should be working right now.
So, able.
Yes.
That's only
Press
change.
yes. Yeah. It turns on XMP. The CRT.
Oh, that is a clue. Stay. Hey,
Is
Yeah.
it,
it does say 3600 on the top.
okay, that's good now.